Alright, this is going to show or demonstrate a code called vreport. Vreport is designed to work on all Wii games. What it does is if you have a crash that occurs, it'll generate a report on your NAND file system with various details of said crash. So let's check it out. It's not ready for public release, but I will have a link on the forum for you to view it and try it out. I have a DSI exception that's going to occur once the CPU picks up a box. Okay, so that's meant to happen. The screen is supposed to go green when vreport was successful. And if the screen was yellow, that means vreport was unsuccessful. So let's check it out. Here we go. This is where the report is generated under the share2 directory as report.txt. Let's open it up and see what it says. Alright. So the reason why we have that crash, or that address that the CPU crashed on as 8022 BC, that's because I wrote a quick C2 code at the shared item address to make the crash happen. So technically it was crashing where the code handler was located, where the GCT is at. That's why that address is like that. Instruction at address. Obviously you need to use some type of ASMD compiler to view it in readable form if you want. Exception type, obviously that's DSI. The report will also tell you the DAR and DSISR. You also get 5 rows of stack trace to help you determine the cause of the crash. You get a call stack as well, 5 rows max. Oops, we go down further. You get all the GPRs. So we already know the issue with this crash was the value of R0 was being stored to the location of R3. You can see R3 is null, so that caused the DSI exception. Here we got the FPRs. At the moment, the FPRs are only stored as double precision. I think a correct way to do it would store them twice. So they're in 2 different spots in the report, one in double precision and one in paired single mode. I think that's the correct way in how you do it, but whatever. Miscellaneous registers. I mean, some of these aren't really needed, but I just added them just because. The SRR1, that's the machine state register, what it was right before the exception was taken because of the crash. So there you go. That is the vreport. A link will be provided below. It's not really ready for public use. It will work on any Wii game. It will work on Dolphin, but the screen colors won't work on Dolphin because I'm using the Hollywood registers to make the screen colors happen, and Dolphin doesn't emulate that correctly. So Dolphin will just like freeze up and glitch, but it still should work because all my testing was done on Dolphin. And this is real hardware OFC. So there's some technical issues, some more detailed crap that if you want to read up about, I'll include in the link on the thread. So that's pretty much it. Still a lot of work to be done. I'm just too lazy to finish this, to be honest.